Alright, so we have Enhancement 6 ready. To begin with, the My Account link is present before login. We are not logged in. And it shows My Account, and if we log in, then it shows Log Out. And this works on every page. Okay, we're going to go ahead and skip these steps. As a level 3 user, I will be back to those steps by the way. As a level 3 user, the admin, the appearance of the products link shows, and the product management page is delivered. If we go ahead and log out and log in as something else, it is not the admin. And then once again, the logout still shows, the link does not. And for the extra credit, as a not greater than 1 client, which is our level 1 client right here, as we can see, we're going to go ahead and pop over to a products page and just show that it does get redirected. So we'll just go to the products index, right? This one right here, and they get redirected to the home page. Just to further nail that point in, we will go ahead and try and get directly to one of the other views and just pretend that our user is super nerdy and knows exactly how to get everywhere. So let's go ahead and try and get to the add product view. Once again, it's redirected. And as a last point and proving, we'll also have them try to get to the add category view. And redirected once again. Alright, I think that's pretty much it for the enhancement. Quick walk over through the code. I have this right here with an inline if ternary operator to change what logout shows. I actually changed it so that the link isn't, or the image and the text aren't sharing the same link. So because I wanted to be able to get back to the accounts view without re-logging in. So now the folder will get you back to the account view, and the logout text will log you out. And then on the products pages, I just have this little snippet right here that checks and sees if the client data is set and if the level is 1 or greater than 1. And if the conditions match, either the client data is not set or they are not greater than 1, then it redirects them to the main page. And then we have a similar code snippet on the admin page, just checking to make sure that they do actually have data set, and if they do not have data, then it will bring them to the login page. That way, no matter where I am, this is actually, the link for this is going to the index page for the accounts, which by default I have set up to bring to the admin page, and then the admin page will check if they have the client data and redirect them to the login page instead, if they are not signed in. And that is my Enhancement 6 with extra credit.